Hi guys, how you guys doing? Let's quickly make this nice okra soup together. I know there are so many ways to make okra soup, and I've made other okra soup, but this other way is the way you can make your okra soup to get this very thick consistency, and it's really nice. Okay, but before we go in, please welcome to my YouTube channel. If you've not subscribed to my channel, make sure you subscribe. Welcome to my new subscribers, welcome my old subscribers. Thank you so much for staying with me. I hope you enjoy this video. So first of all, we'll go into make our proteins, cook our proteins, and after that you see me removing the fresh fish because I don't want it to get scattered in the pot. And after that I added my Kpomo, my dried fish, and added my pepper and all of that. This food is really not difficult to make. It's something you can make just sharp before you know it, you're done. So you go in with your palm oil and your seasoning cubes and your salt, and I added some water because I needed it to be light a little. And I turned everything. I added back my fish, and after that I added some crayfish to this soup. This soup is not hard, like I said. We're almost at the end of the soup. So at this point I'm going to add in my okra. Yeah, I made my okra into ways. I grated some and I sliced some because I wanted to have this kind of thick consistency, and that would only require me to do it this way. So for you to get your okra to be very thick, you have to grate some and you slice some, or maybe slice or grate everything. That's how you get your very nice okra. And guys, you now add your Oziza leaf and your soup is ready. You're seeing it, it's ready. And now we are dishing our soup. What would you pair this soup with? Would you pair it with fufu, ogoni gari, or ijebu gari? For me, I paired it with ogoni gari. Bye guys, thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Thank you for always staying with me. Bye. I love you. I love you guys so much. And what would you want me to make next?